help for stress. Get more sleep. If you want to get rid of your stress, you have to take charge of your life. So take charge of your actions, your thoughts, your environment, and the way you deal with problems. Because if not, stress remains outside your control and it controls you. And I don't want to be negative. However, it's paramount that you understand the real consequences of poor sleep. It's not just the low energy, the poor mood, and the elevated stress. It's the longer term consequences on the body and the greater effect sleep debt has on chronic stress and illness. It strips away your health one night at a time. Listen, if you're not running on rest and recovery, then you're running on stress hormones. That's a quote by Dr. Bob Rakowski. And many of the symptoms of sleep debt are similar to those of stress. It alters your outlook on the day and your life. And what are the first signs of sleep debt? Well, the first signs of sleep debt usually show up mid-morning or mid-afternoon. So I have a question for you. How's your energy at these times? How's your alertness? Do you want to feel better? Do you want to have more energy and be more productive? So quit fooling yourself. Lack of sleep is called sleep debt, and we owe big time. If you want to reduce your stress, improve your sleep. Stress Reduction, StressRelief.com provides training programs that help you get to the root cause of your stress. They help you relax, get back into control with peace of mind. So you can continue being stressed, overwhelmed, and out of control, or you can go to Stress Reduction, StressRelief.com. They've got effective solutions and helpful tips for better sleep. They even have a free life-changing training program with over 25 free videos, 5 of which are on improving sleep. The best thing I can recommend is go inside the website and check out the free resources and see if it's right for you, see if it helps. And you can do all of this without spending any money. So go check it out now. They're here to help.